Hey there, my name is Cameron Russell, and I'll be presenting my company, Nutrition LLC, as it went through the UGA Accelerator. So first off, the client's problem. Typically, people have a problem of knowing what to eat, how much to eat, when their goals are trying to change their weight or get their vitamins and minerals throughout the day. A lot of people have a confusion of what they should be eating and how much of it. So early adopters to this would be people who are middle-aged, focused on their health. They, care about treating their body right. They have an ideal weight goal that they're trying to reach, and they also have time available to buy groceries and cook as well. So this is the business model canvas that I've created for the accelerator. And I highlighted channels because that's where a lot of the progressionists come from, starting out on like how I was acquiring customers beforehand and how through this program I've adjusted that to find new channels to reach a bigger audience. So how this progression started was I initially started going up to people downtown, just random people, realized that this was pretty inefficient. Then I started making flyers promoting a free consultation and putting that up at local stores. I started narrowing down which stores I went to by approaching ones that were more health and fitness related, and even narrowed it down from there of making sure I was going towards businesses that are more locally owned rather than a chain or something that is larger in size, just because they're more likely to work with me and they seem to be pretty similar on the overlap of who our target audience is and their goals of improving their health as well. So I've decided to persevere in the route of targeting local fitness and yoga / Pilates studios. I think working alongside small businesses is a great way to meet people in person, people in the community, and also help other small businesses grow as well. So where I need help is the money from the program would help with sponsoring local events, especially like 5Ks or different runnings or classes, sponsoring different things like that, and also just getting set up with booth materials of setting up booths at different places. And then lastly, put like a larger amount of ad reach would be able to acquire more customers and reach a larger net of people. So yeah, that is all.